Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmar Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're coming across an issue on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer with a blurry or distorted webcam or camera picture quality. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. Ang first solution na pwede natin gawin ay dito lang sa search bar ng ating computer, ay search mo lang dito yung troubleshoot settings. And then click mo lang itong open. So dito sa system troubleshoot, and then dito lang sa options, under nito ay select mo lang dito yung other troubleshooters. So i-click mo lang ito. Dito sa other troubleshooters, and then scroll down at select mo lang dito yung camera, and then i-click mo lang itong run. Alright, so makikita mo dito yung mga informations and guide and link na pwede natin gawin para ma-fix yung problem. And the next step ay scroll down, and then select mo lang dito yung yes. So, kailangan mo lang ipano ito mga kaibigan. Okay? So, i-click mo lang itong yes. And then wait natin yung other informations. Okay? So, makikita mo dito yung pwede natin gawin. Andito siya. And then, pwede mo naman kontakin yung contact support. Alright? So, ang kailangan mo lang din ay i-check kung na-resolve na yung problem. And then, kailangan din natin i-relaunch ang any applications na ginagamit mo as webcam like Google Meet, Zoom, or Hangout. Okay? So, however, if the problem still persists and having issues something else, do this another solutions. Okay, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin ay dito lang si start menu. So right click ka lang and then select mo lang dito yung device manager. So dito sa device manager ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung cameras. Kapag wala kang nakitang cameras dito, so dito lang sa taas ay select mo lang dito yung view, and then kailangan mo lang select dito yung show and then device para makita mo lahat ng settings. Okay? So, ang next, i-select mo lang tong camera. So, i-click mo lang tong arrow na to. And then, kailangan mo lang select dito, right-click. And then, select mo lang dito yung update driver. So, dito sa update driver ay may dalawang options na search automatically or browse my computer. So, select ka lang dito sa dalawa. Okay? So, select lang natin tong search automatically. And then, makikita mo kaagad dito na already installed. Ang next step na pwede natin gawin ay kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay? So, dito sa start menu, and then click mo lang itong restart. Ayan. So, ganun lang po kasimple kung paano natin i-fix ang blurry webcam on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.